Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot network on your PC. Very simple and easy. To do this, just come on here, then you type on your network here. Good. So now you tap on the Wi-Fi here to turn it on, something like that, and you can see I have this Wi-Fi is connecting. So you can check to connect it automatically, or you can uncheck it. So now let me connect it here. It's going to take some time. I'll have to enter my password before. Good. So it's here. I would have to enter the password of this Wi-Fi, whether it's a normal Wi-Fi, a router, or a mobile phone hotspot. I need to enter the password before I get access to that Wi-Fi. So the password is good. So I think I'm done. So here I type on next. Good. So it verifies and then you connect. So you have to wait for some time to as well. Good. So it's here. So we've connected it successfully. So that's it on how you can connect to a Wi-Fi, a router, or a mobile hotspot on your PC, and then you get internet access and then use it to browse. That's it. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a mobile hotspot on your PC. So that's it once again. Peace.